Let's remove this handlebar switch. First thing I want to do is dislodge this plug here, and that just slides off. You see there's a clip there. All right, press down on this button here. And that bitch was acting like she didn't want to come loose. Next, I'm going to remove this bolt. Really don't need this here anymore either. So remove that screw, and then there's one more right there. Screws removed. Pop that off. Okay, I unplugged the clutch switch. Not sure what that's gonna do, but we gonna find out. Might have to keep this stupid thing on. Let's see. Yeah, I guess we don't need it. It look naked. So I cut the thumb off a latex glove. Let me just zip tie this on. You know, it's probably unnecessary. Good to go. Now for the horn, gotta unplug these two and unbolt this. Come on, one-handed. Yeah, let me use both hands real quick. Horn is removed. I could take this off as well, but I have to get the radiator out the way to access that bolt. So I'm gonna leave it for now. All right, now to remove this side stand, first we want to get the spring off. All right, next, start working on this bad boy. How do you unplug this here switch? She-wanking. She-wanking. She-fucking. To bypass this, you just have to jump these two connections here. So I'm gonna just get some wire, put it in there. So kickstand is off. I have not jumped that switch. We're in neutral. Bike should start. And that's the kickstand switch doing its thing. All right, got my little piece of wire here. I should have just stripped this all the way. I don't know why I even tried to keep it insulated. It's getting jumped anyway. Stupid motherfucker. I got some uninsulated wire here. We'll clean that up in a little bit, but we want to make sure it works. Neutral. Good to go. And we done. Peace.